Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best beginner 3D printers 2024, so let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. Number 5. FLSUN printer. The FLSUN impresses with its 600 mm per second printing speed and direct drive extruder. Supported by FLSUN System 1.0 software, it offers a large build volume, making it suitable for various printing projects. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. Number 4. Creality 3D printer. The Ender 3 series, including the S1, Pro, Plus, V2, and Max Neo models, features resume printing functionality. With FDM technology, it offers reliable performance and versatility for various printing needs. Number 3. Creality K1C 3D printer. The K1C excels with its 600 mm per second printing speed and auto-leveling capabilities. Equipped with a robust direct extruder and AI camera, it delivers high-speed printing with precision and efficiency. Please consider to subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon to get more videos. Number 2. Creality printer. Featuring a Sprite direct extrusion system, the Ender 3V3SE offers faster printing speeds of up to 250 mm per second. With dual Z-axis and an intuitive IU display, it's a reliable choice for 3D printing enthusiasts. Number 1. Flashforge Adventurer 5M 3D printer. The Adventurer 5M boasts high-speed printing with full auto-leveling and a direct extruder. Its flexible PEI plate ensures easy removal of prints, while power loss recovery prevents print failures. Thanks for watching.